Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in on your account on Lots Mobile. To do so, you first need to open your Lots Mobile app on your device. And once you've done that, go to your settings menu, which is this gear icon right here. And once you're in this menu, tap on Account, which will take you to Account Settings. And now from here, click on Switch Account and Device, like so. As you can see, there are two options. One's on Facebook and another one is Google account. Click on any of these and then you can log in via your Facebook or your Google account. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming!